Let's get to know each other. I'll go first. I'm 42, married with 2 kids. How did I get here so fast, girl? I don't even know. I feel like I was just 20, turning up in the club on a Tuesday. I'm the eldest daughter, so, a little trauma here and there. Nothing that you can't handle. Nothing too cray. I have a bachelor's in fashion merchandising from LIM College. I'm a Sagittarius. All my Saggies stand up. I love the other signs too, but I got a special place in my heart for the Saggies. I'm so fascinated by the ocean. However, I cannot swim. And yes, I've taken classes. I've taken a swim class, and that's a story for another day. Let's just say I left and I still can't swim. This shade match, I'm telling you, the new Armani Luminous Silk Foundation is that girl. Do you see that? Like, such a good foundation. And let's rewind a little bit. I did start off as a biochem major, and then I switched over to fashion merchandising, which of course shocked my immigrant parents. But I went through with it anyway. Is it working out? I always like to press my foundation in and let it sit for a little bit. Both of my parents are from Haiti. Yes, I'm Haitian. Ça passe, ça pas content, embarqué. Girl, I be doing the most sometimes. Do not mind me. And honestly, in this climate, I don't even know if I should be sharing that with y'all. It's hot in the streets. Well, I should say, it's icy in them streets right now. I didn't really get into makeup until my, I would say, early 30s. I would say like 33-ish into the mid 30s. Because in my day, first of all, everything used to make me look ashy. I don't know. Every foundation I used to put on would make me look ashy. Then I would wipe it off, and I'm just like, okay, makeup is not for me. Then I would get my makeup done by someone, and it just gave, I don't know if it's because I look like my brothers and my dad so much, but I just felt very masculine in makeup. I remember being in the MAC store, and one of the MUAs was trying to explain contouring to me, what I'm doing right now. I could not grasp the concept of contouring. I would go home, I would try, and I just couldn't get it. So there was a point where I just gave up, and I was just like, you know what? Makeup is not for me. But in my early 30s, I was like, no, I'm going to master this. I'm going to get this down pat. And I'm still not a master. However, my makeup does look good when I go out. I'll give myself some credit. I wanted to try a new blush today. This is the NARS in shade Insatiable. This is the Afterglow liquid blush. When it comes to liquid blushes, I like to build it up. So I'll start off with a thin layer and I'll add some more as I go along, because I do suffer from blush blindness. I'm not going to lie. I can go outside and I'm like, ooh, I put on too much blush. But when I take a photo, it's always hitting in the photo though. So sometimes I do my makeup for the pictures. I'm not going to lie. I've been trying to make the switch over to being a tea girl, and it hasn't been working out. And girl, now that I'm watching this video over, I don't even know why I'm cutting coffee out. It's in my notes. I'll get back to y'all. I love to dance. I love to party. I'm not talking about Alvin Ailey level dancing. Now, let me tell you something about your girl. I love to dance, but it takes me about 30 business days to get the routine down. But once I do get it, it's on and popping. I started sewing when I was 13 by hand, no sewing machine, needle and thread. I did not buy my first sewing machine until I was about, I think it was 18 or 19 when I purchased my first sewing machine. 80% of my sewing skills, I would say, is self-taught, and the other 20% I gained through fashion courses at FIT, sewing, draping, pattern making. I also did internships at fashion houses. And after seeing all aspects of the fashion business, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of fell out of love with it, and that's where I am right now. I've never even said that out loud. Oh my God. I love to travel. Put me on a plane ASAP. I'm always ready to be out, right? I mean, we all love to travel. I feel like most people love to travel. I had to stop speaking because I needed to focus on my eyebrows. My eyebrows, I do them in stages. I start off in the beginning, and I kind of just touch up along the way. My favorite trip was going on a safari in Kenya. Oh my God, that was such an amazing experience. I was just like, pinch me. Is this my life? Am I out here with the lions.
Another new product I'm trying today is the YSL Make Me Blush Blush in shade Honeymoon. I received this in PR. It's described as a caramel shimmer. When I applied the blush onto my skin, it was more of a peachy tone than a caramel, but I loved it so much. I also applied it on my eyelids as eyeshadow. I'm also trying the new Lancome Idol Curl Goddess Mascara. It's lightweight, curls, and volumizes your lashes. It does set quickly, so work fast. And the 40-degree twisted wand allows every lash to get coated from root to tip.
3 goals for myself this year. I want to make at least one new friend. I haven't made a new friend in so long. I've had the same friends for about, I don't know, 20 plus years. Another thing that's long overdue is, oh girl, I gotta go to therapy. I have to make it to therapy this year. I gotta sit on someone's couch. Like, I gotta lay down on the couch and just pour my heart out to someone who does not know me. I gotta figure out this grief, this self-sabotaging that I do. There's just so much to unpack. Like, the baggage is heavy. Bad lady, you gon' hurt your back. Carrying on. You know what I mean? Like,
the final product that I'm trying today is the NARS Afterglow Lip Shine Gloss. This is Dolce Vita in shade 888. It's like a dusty rose. So pretty. Look at the shine on this.
And last but not least, I need to head to the gym. I need to work out. I need to change my diet. And it's not so much about gaining weight. I love the weight that I've gained. I've put on about like 20 pounds in the past year and I'm looking good. I like my weight. However, the health is not there. I did a blood test. The blood test came out so, not as great as it's been my entire life. So I need to get on top of that, take care of that. Also, my hip is starting to hurt. So there's a lot of things internally that I gotta fix. New year, new problems, but we're gonna get to it. Because I was chatting, I completely forgot to set my face. I've been using the L'Oreal 3-second setting mist, and this works, okay? Listen, your makeup's not gonna move. The first time I used this, I did not know the power of this spray, so I'm just spraying all over the place, okay? Face felt like snatched. My hair was also snatched. It's definitely giving hairspray. Like, I had to redo the front of my hair because it was just so stiff, okay? So, if you spray this, the makeup's not going anywhere all night. If you're sensitive like me, like with the one size makes me tear up. I cannot handle one size, but this I've been able to handle. And like I said, you won't tear, but you will cough. And I prefer a little cough than my eyes tearing and then the makeup's a wrap, because I cannot come back from tears. Makeup is done, full face. Okay. I have so much more to share, but I'm going to save it for another video. It was nice chatting with you today. I am trying to get more comfortable from the camera. You know what I mean? I need to let that personality out of the bag because I got personality, and trust me. It's just when this camera turn on, it's like, cat's got my tongue. Anyway.
It was great catching up. Talk to you later. Like and subscribe.